Have you ever stood by a calm sea just before a storm? The air grows still. For Shiba Inu holders, the market feels just like that. Quiet, tense, and uncertain. Is this the calm before a downturn, or a deep breath before a leap forward? The silence from developers and sideways price action has everyone asking, what happens next? Like a garden, growth can pause before the next surge. After exciting gains, Shiba Inu's price has pulled back, testing patience and conviction. In this quiet, more than any bull run, true investors are revealed. For newcomers, crypto charts can seem like a foreign language, but to experienced traders, they tell a story. The death cross is when the short-term average drops below the long-term average, often a warning sign. Support levels act like a floor, where buyers step in to keep prices from falling further. These signals aren't guarantees. Think of them as weather forecasts, not prophecies. Right now, Shiba Inu's chart is a tug-of-war between bearish pressure and bullish support. Which side will win? In crypto, no project moves in a vacuum. The market is like a fleet following a giant carrier, Bitcoin. When Bitcoin surges, optimism lifts altcoins like Shiba Inu. But when Bitcoin drops, panic spreads and altcoins are sold off first. Even strong Shiba Inu progress can be overshadowed by Bitcoin's downturn. So, for Shiba holders, Bitcoin's moves remain the most powerful signal. The king of crypto still sets the tone for the entire market. In the vast world of cryptocurrency, major exchanges like Coinbase act as the main gateways for new investors. A recent rumor has sent ripples of excitement through the market. The possibility of Coinbase being added to a major stock index, like the S&P 500. This might seem distant, but its potential impact on the entire crypto ecosystem, including Shiba Inu, could be enormous. It would signal a new level of mainstream acceptance for the digital asset industry. Imagine if a local, popular craft brewery suddenly got its drinks featured in every major supermarket chain across the country. This is what S&P 500 inclusion would do for Coinbase. It would place the crypto exchange alongside giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. This move would compel large institutional funds, pension funds, and index-tracking ETFs to buy Coinbase stock, Coin. This isn't just about a stock price going up. It's about the ultimate stamp of approval from traditional finance. It tells the world that cryptocurrency is no longer a fringe hobby, but a legitimate and significant sector of the global economy. So, how does this help Shiba Inu? The effect is indirect but powerful. When these massive institutional funds are forced to buy coin stock, they are also indirectly investing in the health of the crypto market. This increased visibility and validation could lead to a fresh wave of capital flowing into the crypto market as a whole. As these new, deep-pocketed investors get comfortable with the industry via a safe stock like Coinbase, their next logical step might be to allocate a small portion of their portfolios directly into major cryptocurrencies. This potential development represents a rising tide lifts all boats scenario. One of the most significant factors contributing to the current market anxiety is the profound silence from Shiba Inu's lead developers. In the fast-paced world of crypto, where constant communication is often the norm, this quiet can be deafening. The community is used to a steady stream of updates, teasers, and announcements from figures like the pseudonymous lead, Satoshi Kusama. This sudden radio silence has left many to wonder if the team is struggling behind the scenes or, as many hope, if they are simply working heads down on something truly groundbreaking. The ambiguity itself is a major driver of market speculation. This isn't the first time the Shiba Inu team has gone quiet before a major reveal. History shows a pattern of secrecy followed by surprise. Think back to the lead-up to the launch of Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 scaling solution. For months, there were only cryptic clues and long periods of silence. Then, seemingly out of nowhere, the team dropped a series of detailed blog posts and launched the testnet, re-energizing the entire ecosystem. This past behavior suggests that the current silence might not be a sign of weakness, but rather a deliberate strategy to build anticipation and ensure their next product is perfect before its unveiling. What could they be working on? The possibilities are fueling endless discussion. Some speculate it could be the full launch of SHI, the ecosystem's long-awaited stablecoin, which would add a new layer of utility and stability to the platform. Others believe the team is finalizing a comprehensive metaverse project, a virtual world for the Shiba Army to interact, play, and transact. Another popular theory is a new, revolutionary burn mechanism designed to drastically reduce the token's massive supply. While the developers may be silent, the Shiba Inu community, the self-proclaimed Shiba Army, has been anything but. In times of market uncertainty, the strength of a project's community is put to the ultimate test, and the Shiba Army has consistently shown its resilience. Instead of panicking over the price, dedicated members have taken matters into their own hands. They are organizing grassroots marketing campaigns, educating new investors on social media, and, most importantly, actively participating in token burns. This proactive stance shows a level of commitment that goes far beyond just watching a price chart. The concept of a token burn is a powerful one within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's the community's way of actively trying to increase the value of their own holdings. In the crypto world, burning involves sending tokens to a dead wallet where they can never be accessed again, effectively removing them from circulation forever. Recent community-led burn initiatives fueled by transactions on Shibarium and partnerships with businesses have successfully removed billions of Shiba tokens from the supply. These burn events are more than just a technical mechanism. They are a powerful symbol of unity and shared belief. Each token burned is a vote of confidence in the long-term future of the project. It demonstrates that the community is not just passively waiting for the price to go up, but is actively working to create the conditions for that to happen. This collective action fosters a strong sense of shared purpose and ownership. When people feel like they are part of a movement, they are far less likely to sell in a panic during a market downturn. This community strength acts as a powerful, organic support level for the token. We're at a crossroads. Patience meets anxiety. The market is quiet. Technical signals like the death cross suggest caution, and silence from Shiba Inu's developers adds mystery. Yet, the Shiba Army's community burns, and the chance of a surprise announcement offer hope. Macro news, like Coinbase's S&P 500 inclusion, could bring new legitimacy. There's no single answer. Your move depends on risk tolerance and conviction. Make decisions with research, not fear. For now, watchful waiting may be the wisest path.